Hi, welcome to Codebo. This is episode 7 of C-Aptitude. Today's question is involving an integer that stores 3 values. Or does it? So here we have an integer I that is being declared in the first line. And then we have I is equal to 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 values 1, 2 and 3 that is being given to the integer I. An integer can store only one value. You should know that, you will know that, of course. And hence when we print I in the printf statement that is given in the next line, I is equal to %d and then we have \n. Okay, so the value of I is being printed with the expression I is equal to. Okay, what would be the output that we'd get? Would we get 1? Would we get 2? Would we get 3? Or would we get the length of this array of numbers that we have given? What would we get? Or would we get an error? That is also another possibility, right? So what would be the answer? So what happens is the equal to operator has more precedence or higher priority when compared to the comma operator, and hence I is equal to 1 would be given higher priority. So this is the expression that is being done inside or behind the scenes. Okay, so I is equal to 1 is being evaluated in this statement. 2 and 3 is not counted at all. Okay, and then we have the printf statement. So what do we have the value of I? So we have the value of I as 1, and hence 1 will be printed. And that is the answer to this question. Such an easy question, but we'll know only if we know this logic of the higher precedence for equal to than comma. Okay, so now we'll move on to an ID and verify this. After that we have the try rotation. So here we are in our ID. As you can see here, the value 1 is being highlighted like every other number. 0 is being highlighted, which is a number. 1 is being highlighted, but the value 2 and 3 is not highlighted because that is not evaluated. As you can see here, expression result unused. So this result is being not used by any of these values. So I is equal to 1 is the only thing that is being used, and hence when we run this code, the value of 1 will be printed. I is equal to 1, and that is the answer. Now let's move on to the try rotation. So we have done a slight variation to the question that we just solved. We have added parenthesis to the front and to the back of these numbers. So with this parenthesis, change the output that we just solved. Let me know your answers in the comment section below. If you love this video, please drop a like and comment down below if you have any questions. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button. So we'll see you in the next episode of C-Aptitude. Until then, bye bye.